Don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode. I hope you guys had a good week and that you have great and exciting things lined up for the weekend. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the rising price of eggs. With the egg prices skyrocketing, I decided to take matters in my own hands. Come with me. Let's head on down to South Florida. So here we are on Mr. Devon's farm, and I can't wait to see his chicken.
Bigger one, those are roosters.
Oh, okay.
If you get them at that size, wow, that's sweet.
Rotted.
Tell me something. Where did I put him over? There when people come by, you know. I just the bigger one then, yeah.
Hear them, me no want go. So guys, as you can see, I'm purchasing 4 chickens from Mr. Devon, and he's putting them in a little cage for me. So I'm gonna be taking them home. I have a preference for these chickens, not the other, what they call the machine fowl, but I prefer the common fowls.
Everybody come. Take the bigger one them at all time.
Yeah, because then quicker for ready. So, Mr. Devon, these are the Rhode Island Red?
Yes, indeed. Rhode Island Red, yeah.
And them here, these chicken, tell us about them. When them were ready for lay or so.
Between 18 to 20 weeks,
Yeah.
you will start to pick up egg.
And how old these are?
12 weeks, but no.
So another 6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 to 8, yes. They will ready.
6 to 8 weeks.
You feed them, grow, and closer to the time you start to give them the layer.
The layer.
Yes, and
Okay. About a week before the 18 weeks.
no, you can even before. Because you know they're getting ready now to lay.
Okay.
So the grower, we have them pan grow all along.
Yeah.
So suppose you have them pan grow for another 4 weeks, you put them pan the layer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it will be natural now.
Yes.
To start to lay, you know.
Yes. Okay. So I just see Mr. Devon with this pile of sawdust, and I am going to ask him for some because I know it's going to come in handy as soon as I get home. So Mr. Devon recommended that I use some grower. I couldn't find any grower, so I just bought this because it looked like it had a nice blend of nutritious feed for the chickens. So I got them. I'm sure they'll work just fine. Guys, I went on Amazon and ordered this coop. Now, I'm not very good at assembling things, so I got a gentleman to assist me with assembling it, and I just love the way it turned out. The chickens have been doing well. They have settled down, and you are not going to believe what we have upstairs. Yes, they have a little area upstairs that they go and chill out, and I'm gonna show you. But yes, I really like it. They're comfortable. I have an automatic feeder that I'm still struggling with because they keep putting dirt in it. So every now and then I flip-flop between the feeder and these little bowls that I have. But they're working out just fine. Guys, tell me what you think. Do you think you can do what I did? Do you think it will work out for you based on the space you have? Because there are smaller coops that you can get or larger coops if you have bigger space. And hey, as far as the egg prices go, you really don't have to be spending that much money on them. Tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. And until next time, ciao.